Let me shock you. Even the life you live is not your own. So if the life you live is not your own, what else is your own? The life you live belongs to God. He gives you the life to live. So the life is not your own. Every other thing that is in the life is not also your own. Even the air you breathe, the resources you use while you are on earth is not also your own. So why are we fighting each other, one another? Because name it, everything, all the resources you use while you are on earth is not your own. The life, the air you breathe is not your own. If you have to pay for oxygen in the hospital, you know how much you pay, right? So if you have to pay for life as well, you know how much you have to pay per day for you to just be in existence. I don't think you would have been able to afford it. So basically nothing is your own. You come empty-handed and you are going back empty-handed as well. Just live freely, love one another, show love, because nothing really belongs to you, brothers and sisters.